Today we will learn how to animate line grab in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's jump into the timeline. I've imported a picture that already has a line. Using pen tool, I'll draw a line along the existing on. Following the direct we want to the animate to go. To make it clear, I'll double click on the picture to zoom in. Once we've selected the line, I'll enable the stroke and disable the field. I'll change the stroke color is to make it red for this example. And increase the stroke value to make it bolder. I'll also center the stroke to give it a polished look. Now you can see the line is looking much clearer. Next we'll go to the effect panel and search for a linear wave. Drag and drop the effect into the line layers. Now move to effect control panels and activate the transition completion keyframes. Set the wipe angle to 270%. Move the playhead forward. And select the transition completion value to 0%. Now if I play it now, you will see the line animation in action. You can speed up the animation by shortening the keyframes or slow it down by expanding them. Next, we'll duplicate this layer by holding Alt and dragging it to create a new layers. On this is new layer, we'll add a Gaussian blur effect. In the effect controls, increase the blur value for a smoother looks. Now if I play the sequence, you will notice the animation looks complete with a nice blur effect. We'll repeat the same step for other parts of the graph to keep things organized. We'll nest the two top layers. From here we can start creating new section of the animation. Feel free to change the color of the stroke if needed and follow the same process for the next section. Let's play it again to see the final animation. To learn more amazing video editing tips and tricks, click out our previous videos. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos.